हेलो।
ये कैमरा लेकर कौन आया था उसमें? आपको फोन पे किधर हो? वो देख ली बस। और कौन को बात कर लो? दो बस लग अच्छा।
अच्छा।
This is my co-host as well. Sansar, you can hear me now.
आ जाए चलो स्टार्ट कब करना कर दो A very good evening to each and everyone present among us. Humble greetings to our respected guests, Honorable Justice Akhil Qureshi, Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir Professor Sri Krishna Moot Court Competition 2023 in association with Justice Bodhraj Swani Memorial Trust and title sponsor Vidhi Center of Legal Policy. This valedictory ceremony is to acknowledge the efforts of each of the respected judges, college authorities, OC members, volunteers, members of the Moot Court Committee, and every functionary who contributed to yet another conduct of this competition. I am Skandita Tiwari, and with me is Hafsa Ansari, and we will be hosting this ceremony on the behalf of the organizing committee.
First, we have the Chief Justice of our ceremony, Honorable Justice Akhil Abdul Hamid Qureshi, who is the former Chief Justice of the Rajasthan High Court and Tripura High Court. He has also served as a judge of Bombay High Court and Gujarat High Court, of which he has also served as an acting Chief Justice. Sir acquired his LLB in 1983, after which he joined the bar and started his legal practice in Gujarat High Court. He represented the Income Tax Department in the Gujarat High Court up to December 2001. We would now like to request our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Sir, to kindly present Justice Qureshi with a bouquet as a token of appreciation for his presence here today. Thank you very much, sir. We would now like to address our Vice Chancellor, Professor Sri Krishna Deva Rao. Professor Sri Krishna Deva Rao is a renowned scholar in criminal law and access to justice.
Thank you. We have running out of time. Honorable Justice Qureshi and my colleague Saurabh and all of you, I think this is a ultimate final concluding session of the 3 days 16th BRSMT National Moot. Those who have participated, that's the best thing. Forget about winning or losing. So 100 teams, it seems, have registered, and we have about 24? 24. And all of you, I think, must be appreciated for taking time and coming over here and participating. Participating in the moots is a really what I call as anticipative lawyering, because you have to anticipate both sides, not just only in the petitioner, respondent, and other, both sides. Both sides you have to prepare, you have to research, you have to argue, and like a chess game, you have to anticipate and all things. And then particularly I like in the moots is the questions immediately which are asked, and some of them are very grilling questions. I think that's the real participative lawyering and anticipative lawyering. And congratulations, those who have won. I think 4 teams, and then we will see. I think some trend which I was looking at is something last time also, there's a 2 teams, and the same 2 teams are, if I am right, they are coming into the final. Let's see, I think something, I must appreciate both the universities, because the preparation and all their mentoring, and I think that may be the reasons for that. But we encourage all universities more and more participate. And once again, congratulations, and hope you have a good time, spending time in the Nalsar. Nalsar is a beautiful campus, and welcome you again. And not only in Moot, I would encourage you to participate in other activities. I am now more and more encouraging debating competitions and other. Thank you. Thank you.
It is with immense pride that we inform everyone present here today that this year's edition saw the participation of 100 teams, reinstating our position as the biggest constitutional law moot of the country. A total of 24 teams had qualified for the oral rounds, which was scheduled to be held from 13th to 15th of October. We have now come to the end of this prestigious moot and have arrived at the moment all have been restlessly waiting for, the declaration of the results.
We first have the awards for the researchers. The second best researcher will receive a prize of rupees 7,500. The second best researcher for the 16th BRS Moot Court competition goes to Strajal Verma from Symbiosis Law School, Noida. Next, Next, we have the award for the best researcher. The best researcher will receive a trophy and a prize of rupees 10,000. I would like to request Professor Saurabh Bharti to declare the result for the same.
Okay, the best researcher award goes to Prakriti from Symbiosis Law School.
Say this then. Next, we have the best memorials. The team with the best memorial petitioner will receive a trophy and a prize of rupees 10,000. I'd like to request Professor Siddharth Chauhan to declare the results for the same.
I think this prize will go to RML NLU Lucknow. Okay.
The team The team with the best memorial respondents will then receive a trophy and a prize of rupees 10,000. I'd like to receive Mr. Alok Prasanna Kumar.
So the best memo for respondent is also the Ram Manohar Loya NLU of Lucknow.
Now we have best speaker who will receive a trophy and a prize of rupees 10,000. I'd like to request Mr. Rishabh Sancheti to declare the results for the same.
The award of Best Speaker goes to Mr. Avi Kapoor from Jindal Global Law School.
The second best speaker will receive a certificate and a prize of rupees 7,500. The award goes to Arav Goyal from Jindal Global Law School. And now, the most awaited results. The winners of the 16th BRS Moot Court Competition 2023. Both the finalist teams will be receiving an internship at Vidhi Center for Legal Policy. Along with that, the winning team will receive a trophy and a prize of rupees 50,000. The runners-up team will receive a trophy and a prize of rupees 25,000. I'd like to request Honorable Justice Qureshi to declare the results.
The adds to the suspense. The winner team is Jindal Global Law School, and the runners-up goes to Nirma University. Congratulations, all of you.
I'd like to request Professor Sri Krishna Deva Rao to hand over the trophy to the runners-up. Now I request Vice Chancellor Sir to felicitate all our guests with mementos.
We would now like to call Honorable Justice Qureshi, sir, to receive the memento from Vice Chancellor.
I now request Vice Chancellor Sir to provide the memento to Mr. Rishabh Sancheti. I now request Vice Chancellor Sir to present the memento to Mr. Alok Prasanna Kumar. ठीक है. I request Vice Chancellor Sir to hand over the memento to Professor Siddharth Chauhan. I now request Vice Chancellor Sir to present the memento to the Moot Court Committee Faculty Convener, Professor Saurabh Bharti.
A very hearty congratulations to all the winning teams, as well as to all the participants who were a part of the competition. Moving on, as we near the closing of the valedictory ceremony, I take this moment to recognize and acknowledge the efforts undertaken by the entire organizing committee in making this edition successful. We now have Jitendra Vishwakarma, the head of the organizing committee, to give the vote of thanks.
Good evening, everyone. Greetings to Honorable Retired Justice Akhil Qureshi, sir, Alok Prasanna, sir, Advocate Rishabh Sancheti, sir, VC, sir, Saurabh Bharti, sir, Siddharth Sohan sir, all the participants, volunteers, and Nalsar student body. As the head of the organizing committee, it is my distinct privilege to extend heartfelt vote of thanks. We stand here today not only as participants, but as united community of legal enthusiasts who have come together to celebrate the art of advocacy, the pursuit of justice, and the spirit of healthy competition. I would like to thank retired Justice Akhil Qureshi sir for being here and guiding us with his exceptional capsule of wisdom. I will also like to extend my thank to Mrs. Latika Nath, who is managing trustee of the BRS Memorial Trust. This event could not be possible without her support. BRS Trust is our title sponsor since 16 years. We are grateful for their constant support. I would also like to take this moment to honor and remember the legacy of great Justice Bodhraj Sani, who was the pioneer of constitutional legal discourse in India, and we strive to take his legacy further through this moot. I would also like to thank our associate sponsors, Vidhi, who deserves our gratitude for their generous contributions. Your support has allowed us to provide an enriching experience to all the participants. I would also like to thank Ritvika ma'am for coordinating the entire collaboration between Vidhi and OC team. We hope for continued collaboration in the future. I would like to thank Alok Prasanna sir to grace the occasion and being the judge at the final rounds. The knowledge you share is a source of inspiration for all of us. I would like to thank Mr. Rishabh Santeti sir for agreeing to judge the finals and drafting such a contemporary relevant mood proposition. Thank you so much, sir, for all the assistance and guidance. I would like to thank Professor Vasanti ma'am. She's faculty at Nalsar, and Professor we all look up to for judging the final round. I would like to thank Siddharth Chauhan sir for taking out time to judge the final round and semi-final rounds. Also, we are deeply indebted to our esteemed judges in the prelims, quarters, and semis round who selflessly devoted their invaluable time and expertise to evaluate our performance. Your insightful feedback and constructive criticism will undoubtedly guide us towards becoming better advocates. I would like to thank Professor Saurabh Bharti sir, faculty convener for Moot Court Committee. He has shown us a way through the successful conduction of the Moot. Also, I would like to thank our Vice Chancellor sir for ensuring that the event is concluded successfully. I would also like to extend a very special thanks to the IT department, engineering department, library department, and all the members of administration, especially Chidambaram sir, for extending support throughout the competition. I would like to thank the participating team for putting your hard work through entire conduction of the moot. I hope it will be enriching experience for all of you. Successful conduction of the event without any last moment discrepancy is an achievement on the part of the entire organizing committee. The organizing team has spent countless hours, sleepless nights, and tireless efforts to make this competition a grand success. Therefore, I must take a moment to express gratitude to my fellow members who comprises of Mayank Taparia, Mayank Kumar, Nimisha, Eskandita, Harsh, Karshin, Neha, Anirudh, Anushka, Dipangsha, Urja, Kshetragna, Amukta, Ashwat, Jatin, Bhavya, Ayush, Suhrut, Abhisar, Hafsa, Harsh, and MCC convener Anshul Agrawal. Also, I would like to thank all the volunteers whom I cannot name but who contributed invaluably for the successful conduction of the moot. Thank you and good evening.